So good morning guys everyone. Now let's start moving up and okay, so I forgot to make some videos and that's why the reason is that's happened. So let's move in. I think we should go upstairs. That's what we think about it. So yes, so let's take time to walk around and discover something, and we have returned back to the rainy clouds, to the rainy sky, and everything is here beneath right here beneath here. So that's what we got, and I think the rain is again gonna to be shatter up. And yes, so these videos which I'm gonna record will come on 7th of August, which means tomorrow. So I'm shooting for the tomorrow. So anyways, hopefully you understand. So see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.